Hello, my name is Seth Reefer. I'm currently going to Ferris State University studying HVACR and energy technology and energy management. My goal after graduation is to become a design engineer, primarily working on commercial and industrial systems and light residential. I always enjoy figuring out how things work and solving problems. It's kind of what drew me to HVAC. I was also pushed by my family and family members to go into this program, as Ferris has one of the best HVACR programs in the country. Right now, I'm interning at Quality Air Heating and Cooling. I'm in the engineering seat, so most of my day is spent doing AutoCAD or Revit and Bluebeam. This experience I've learned designing buildings is a team effort and a collaboration through the mechanical guy, through the architect, the structural guy, and the electrical guy. Communication is key in getting a building done on time and on budget. Even though I'm pursuing a career in HVAC design, roofing plays a big role. One of the first things we look at is sizing HVAC equipment is the building envelope. Obviously, you guys know the thermal efficiencies, like the R values of the roof, is very important for us as we get our rough load calculations off this and like energy analysis. So that's a big part of our efficiencies, and a higher R value results in smaller equipment, which results in less sizing. Um, so that's how we deal typically with roofing, and also where to put our run our beams and our ductwork is very important, as we got to know the heights of the beams and the length and width of the roof and stuff like that. Um, a well insulated roof helps reduce energy costs and stuff like that, and also um, obviously another thing that you guys deal with HVAC people is roof penetrations. Typically, every roof penetration is going to leak after a certain amount of time. So minimizing the amount of roof penetrations is pretty key. That's especially a big thing in our design, as it's a pretty hard thing to do when you have many rooftop units, stuff like that, and running gas line and roof curbs and all that. So that's how we typically deal with roofing and structural guys. We typically have to figure out our weight and our size so they can adjust the strength of their buildings. Um, yeah, just minimizing unnecessary roof penetrations is what I've kind of learned as in my engineering seat so far. I'm only 4 weeks in, so I still have a lot to learn. But I'm very excited to pursue my education, and I can't wait to finish up here and go work full time as a HVACR engineer, as that's my dream so far. I like the industrial and commercial side, as there's so many different applications, and every time I get into a project, it's different and it's exciting. That's what I'm really looking forward to. This scholarship would just be a huge help, as school is challenging enough, and having to deal with financial freedom or financial burden of school is just another problem that I deal with going up to school, as I'm mostly drawing out of my savings and working part time up there, and I have to live up there. So, just the overall cost of going to university is expensive, but I believe this scholarship could help me significantly continue my education and allow that financial burden to be free of me. I thank you for your consideration.